Hello my lovely, welcome back to my kitchen. It is always good to have you here. So today I'm sharing with you how I make my fufu to achieve the perfect texture. I'm also sharing tips along the way, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. We will start off by peeling our cassava. Okay, so you want to take all the skin out. If you see any dark spots, go ahead and remove it, and also remove the string in the middle. And I hope you're having an amazing day. Thank you so much for your precious time. I really do appreciate you. So once it is done, you want to scrape the back a little bit and go ahead and chop them into small pieces. And please be sure to use your chopping board to do this bit if you are not used to cutting stuff with your bare hands. I also have my plantains here, which I'm going to peel and chop them into smaller pieces as well. With this much cassava, I ended up adding one more plantain to it, as I wanted it to have more plantain as opposed to the other. My lovely, we are done at this stage, and as you can see, the plantains are definitely more than the cassava. If this was maths, we would say it's 1:2 ratio. Yes, so I'll go ahead and blend it, and you want to pour your water in such a way that it levels up with the quantity of the cassava. Okay, just like so. Blend it into nice smooth paste and pour it into your saucepan. And here is a tip: you want to leave some behind so you don't end up adding too much water. So go ahead and add the remaining of your cassava or plantain and blend it as such. You see how thick that is? It's going to help give your fufu a nice texture. I also left some of the mixture in the blender and only added a little bit of water, and now look how creamy and thick this is. Before I put on the fire, I'm going to give it a good stir. So now my lovely, we are set. Begin by stirring it as if you are making a regular porridge, paying attention to the corners because that's where it normally starts to form. So continue to stir as you would normally do until you see that it is beginning to form lumps. At this stage, you want to mash the fufu against the saucepan to break up any lumps that may be forming. But then the lumps are not cooked, so it is so easy to break it up. So continue to mash just like I am doing. But if there is a man at home, please call them because girls are free. So continue to mash and just flip it over just like what I am doing, and soon it will come together. You will see that the bottom has changed color. It's an indication that the fufu will soon be ready. And now look how silky this is. Our no pound fufu has cooked perfectly. It's formed very well and the texture is just perfect. It's not breaking off. It looks smooth and it is just ready to be enjoyed. So go ahead and dish this fine fufu in a bowl, making sure that you have a little bit cold water in there to make it come out really nice and smooth. And if you want to be original, dab your hands in some water and mold it beautifully like this. And now look, our no pound fufu looks just as perfect. The texture is great with great color as well. I served mine with assorted meat soup, some crabs, snails, and of course pretzels, and it was so good. Thank you for your time here, because every watch, like, subscription and comment means so much. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.